welcome back to DIYYolande. My name is Yolande and I use all my social platforms to help you revamp your space on a budget and with power tools to do this. As you've read from the title, today's video is episode 3 of the Senza Ikhaya, which is my home series. Episode 1 and 2 are linked up here in the card, down in the description box. So if you are new here and you haven't had the opportunity to see episode 1, which is where I faux ceramic vases and baskets out of cardboard, and then episode 2 is when I built my console table that is right behind me. So if you have missed out on those videos, do check them out. They are linked up here in the card and they're linked down in the description box below. In today's video, as you read from the title, I am doing gallery wall, and this gallery wall is renter friendly to some extent, and obviously if you own the property, it's also not labor intensive for you as an owner of a property. So let me take you through what my entryway looked like before I inserted the console table, and also before I put up this gallery wall. As you can see, it was very empty, it was very naked. The only thing that's beautiful about it is the color paint that is on the wall that I got custom mixed. So other than that, it was just not impressive. It was not impressive. I wanted me putting up this gallery wall to be budget friendly, for it to be easy. Like, I wanted it to be a very easy DIY project that you guys can do in your spaces. So to ensure that that happens, these are all the supplies that I use. Everything is linked down in the description box below. So your shopping list of supplies is down in the description box, so do check that out. So the first thing for you to do is to spray paint your frames. Yes, these frames were not purchased in the color white, they were purchased in the color black. I got them at Burnwood Salvage. They are originally frames from Mr. Price Home, but as you guys know, I am bargaining lady here. So I got them from Burnwood Salvage. I'll put the price of how much I got them for down in the description box for you all to check it out. So if you're in the Durban or Pinetown area, you can head on over to Burnwood Salvage. They still, I think they still have them, I'm not sure. You guys can check out Burnwood Salvage. I also will put down their Instagram account down below. I spray painted them white. This is the first coat. I think I may have wasted a lot of spray paint. It looks like the drop sheet is more white than the frames. Black was very masculine. Here's a tip. A beautiful thing with white frames is that whether you're using color images or black and white images, it makes the image pop. That's why I picked the white paint. So the spray paint that I used is the Rust-Oleum spray paint. I'll put the name up here, and I really liked it. I like the finish that it gave me, and I'm very happy with it. I used 2 coats of the Rust-Oleum spray paint to get the finish that I wanted. Now here is a tip. When you're creating your gallery wall and you want to change up the color of the frames, I definitely recommend you remove the glass frame. You spray paint the frame without the glass and without the insert of the photo frame. This way you ensure that get paint on spaces that you do not want to get paint on. And if you come across a frame that actually can't separate the glass from the frame, then I definitely encourage you to get newspaper, mask that down with masking tape, ensure it's safe and secure, and then you spray paint it. Your next step is actually to just outline your frames. I'm using various sizes of frames. I needed to visually see where I'm going to place each frame, whether I want the long ones to be on top, if I want the short ones to be at the bottom, vice versa. I outlined the frame on my brown piece of paper. The brown piece of paper that I actually use is the same brown paper that kids use to wrap their school books, you know, the normal brown paper. I got that at Checkers. I think it was 10 rand or less than that. Yeah, I utilized that, but you don't need to use brown wrapping paper. You can just easily just use newspaper, and then you outline your photo frames. So because I have just placed the photo frames willy-nilly on the wall, they're not straight, they're not positioned neatly, I'm going to grab my spirit level and my measuring tape to ensure that the frames are leveled where I'm going to nail them on, and to also ensure that the spaces between the frames is equal, so that it gives a nice neat appearance when you enter the entryway, and then the gallery wall doesn't look scattered, but it actually looks neat and cohesive. So here's another tip for you guys. Because I wanted this to be renter friendly, I actually wanted command strips, because I speak so much about command strips on my Instagram stories, and I've even shown you guys what command strips look like, and I've been searching for them and unfortunately didn't find them. So I thought, let me use double-sided tape. Then I realized that actually no, double-sided tape is not the smartest move. Double-sided tape actually damages your wall when you remove it. It actually when you remove it, it removes with the paint. So that wasn't a neat option. So then I thought, let me get these nails from Eureka. I got these nails from BUCO. I'll put it on the screen here how much they costed. But then these are called panel pins. They are fine nails for delicate wood, popular for cabinet making. They use with lightweight pin hammer. They have a small head. They are basically almost invisible. And if they're good with woodworking and creating cabinets, I thought, well, these photo frames are very light. So, working out my mathematical maths. Working on my maths in my head, I was like, okay, they'll hold, they will hold. And if they don't, I'll also give you guys an update. There was a day where it was quite windy and it did not blow the frames off the wall. Sorry, I keep looking that way because that's where my gallery wall is right now, but you guys are going to see it shortly. Don't worry, you're going to see it shortly. And yeah, they have not blown off the wall, they haven't shifted, they haven't moved. They're in the position that I placed them in, and I love it. I love how secure these nails are. So you can utilize these nails, and if you'll do and you are in a renting space, I would highly 150% recommend that you contact your landlord, okay? But in you contacting your landlord, approach them with the aspect of you're helping them revamp their space, and you're not going to do heavy, you're not drilling into the wall, right? So the beautiful thing with this is that when you move out to secure your deposit, as long as you can match the correct paint color of the wall, you will be sorted. Comment down below if you would like for me to create a renter friendly tips video. Comment down below so I can give you some hacks and some tips on how to navigate renting. So yeah, when you move out, you can just fill the wall with poly filler, and then sand that down, and then paint over that wall, and the holes, the tiny holes that you made with your pin nails will then go invisible. So let me show you my gallery wall. I love it so much. Currently we have all our wedding pictures on here, but we will be changing out the pictures very soon. Hubby's not pleased that it's a wedding day gallery wall. So we currently just have 6 frames. We are planning on filling this entire wall with images. To adding more frames on there. Yeah, and the beautiful thing with this gallery wall is that it is renter friendly. Even if you are owning, it's not labor intensive, it's budget friendly, because everything here, including the pictures, costed this amount. And another tip I'd like to share with you about pictures is get printed on paper from your local photo store. It is cheaper than the normal photo sheet, so do that. I hope this video has taught you some very budget friendly hacks, and that it has encouraged you to create your own gallery wall, you know, and have fun with it. And I hope you'll be able to use these tips that I have shared with you. Your space should never make you feel like it does not represent you. Where you live, where you reside, should never feel shameful for you. And if you cannot afford to go to these more expensive stores, you can make a plan with thrift stores, with salvage stores, with bargain stores, you know, and you can just revamp whatever pieces you've purchased there, so that they best represent your style and and the look and feel that you want for your space. So converting your space and making it represent you and your style should never cost 2 million. So the next video that you guys are going to be seeing from this series is the 4th video of this series. I'm not uploading it immediately after this video, but just keep an eye out of the last episode of season 1 of Senza Ikhaya, because we are about to go to season 2. Comment down below which space in my home do you think I am going to tackle next. So we've tackled the entryway. These are the spaces that are outstanding. Comment down below which one do you think I am going to tackle next. And if you follow me on Instagram, you must have gotten a hint already. I'm so excited. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to share it. Please guys, I don't know why you want to keep me to yourselves. Please share my videos on your WhatsApp statuses, on your Instagram stories, on your Facebook stories, wherever you are comfortable with sharing my content. Please do share so that other people can also get to connect with me, but more importantly, they also get to learn these awesome tips and hacks that you learn here on DIYYolande. So don't forget to like, comment, and share. And don't forget, power tools have no gender. See you next time. Peace.